Hello students, in this video we'll be learning about derivation of Simpson's 1/3 rule from general quadrature formula. So firstly we know that the general quadrature formula is integration from x0 to xn y dx equals to h n multiplied by y0 plus n square divided by 2 delta y0 plus n cube divided by 3 minus n square divided by 2 multiplied by del square y0 upon 2 factorial plus n 4 n raised to the power 4 divided by 4 minus n cube plus n square multiplied by del q y0 upon 3 factorial, and the series goes on. So in starting we are putting n equals to 2 and neglecting third and higher order differences we get. So we'll be getting x0 to x2 y dx equals to, so the lower limit is x0 and the upper limit is x2. h n की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे 2 पुट कर रहे हैं, सो यहाँ पे अभी n की जगह पे 2 लिखेंगे, दैट इज 2 वाई नॉट प्लस अगेन n इक्वल्स टू 2 del y naught plus 8 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 2 multiplied by del square y naught, and after that we'll be getting a few arrangements के बाद हमको मिलेगा h multiplied by 2 y naught plus 2 y1 minus y naught, जो कि डेल्टा y naught को हम एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो हमको मिलता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट 1/3 डेल्टा स्क्वायर वाई नॉट को हम जब भी एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा, जो कि होता है डेल्टा स्क्वायर वाई नॉट होता है डेल्टा ऑफ डेल्टा वाई नॉट. सो यहाँ वी कैन राइट डेल्टा ऑफ y1 माइनस वाई नॉट. सो इट विल बी रिटन एज y2 माइनस y1 माइनस y1 माइनस y0. सो 1/3 y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. So after few rearrangements we'll be getting h/3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2. We'll take 1/3 common as this is Simpson's 1/3 rule. So now after taking 1/3 common, as there's a difference of 2, so similarly we'll be writing lower limit x2 to x4 y dx, upper limit is x4 here, equals to h/3 y2 plus 4y3 plus y4. Then we'll integrate from x4 to x6 by maintaining the difference of 2 between the lower limit and upper limit. So from integration from x4 to x6, here y dx equals to h/3 y4 plus 4y5 plus y6. We'll continue the iteration till the nth term. After that we'll be getting xn minus 2 and the upper limit xn. Integration from xn minus 2 and the upper limit xn. Y dx equals to h/3 yn minus 2 plus 4 yn minus 1 plus yn. On adding the above equations, we will be getting integration from x0 to xn y dx equals to h/3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2 plus 4y3 plus y4 plus y4 plus 4y5 plus, and the series goes on as y6 plus dot dot plus yn minus 2 plus 4 yn minus 1 plus yn. So on rearranging we will be getting the final equation, which is integration from x0 to xn y dx equals to h/3 square bracket parenthesis y0 plus yn plus 4 y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus dot 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 plus yn minus 1. After that plus 2 y2, here we will be writing all the even digits, y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. So this will be our final formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. Thanks for watching.